All right, so I wanted to create this video sort of as a way to bring some clarity to a misunderstood topic that has recently popped up, which sort of stems from one of my last videos regarding the grocery bill that I had for cereal and milk. And that is dumpster diving. So I'm just going to make this real quick. And if I'm wrong about any of this, please correct me in the comments below. What do people say? Hit subscribe. Whatever. In any event, so this is where the misunderstanding comes into place. In California, dumpster diving is generally legal, but there's a lot of caveats to that. First caveat is we're talking about public property, which really is not a lot of space if you think about it. Lots of space is devoted to private property, and on private property, the laws are vastly different. Okay, so we're talking public property. Think public streets, public intersections, public parks, shit like that. Don't think retail spaces, which take up huge place and take up a massive swath of land, and are prime areas for dumpster diving. That's where I like to dumpster dive when I'm getting cans. Retail spaces, behind stores, behind grocery stores, alleyways, things like that. That's actually private property. Unless they explicitly tell you you can't, I still do it. If there is signage everywhere saying you can't, I'll still do it. But if the police show up and they say I can't, I just leave. Number one, I don't trust the police. Don't ever trust the police, ever. They're not your friend. They're not good people. Don't trust them. But two, if they tell you to leave, just leave, so you don't have any issues, because you're fighting a losing battle with that one. That battle is meant for court down the road, if it comes to that. So someone was saying that I had it incorrect, and that no, you can dumpster dive because of a California Supreme Court case ruling, which was from 1984. It's called Greenwood versus the Supreme Court, or vice versa. It's one of the two. I think it's Greenwood versus Supreme Court. And the lower court first held that Greenwood was correct in saying that the police could not go through his trash and use what they found in there as evidence to obtain a warrant to search his house. That's what that case rests on. The higher court, when it went to the Supreme Court of California, they reversed it and they said, yes, the police can go through your trash that you leave out on a public road, anticipating for the dumpster to pick it up. They can go through that. They can use what they find in those bags as evidence to obtain a warrant to then search your house. That's all it's answering. It's a very narrow question. It doesn't apply to dumpster diving in the general sense. It doesn't apply to homeless people going through private property dumpsters. It has nothing to do with that, really. A lot of times it's cited as being applicable to that, but it's not. Unfortunately, I wish it were. So that's the misinformation. Greenwood versus California, or vice versa, it has nothing to do with homeless people, myself included, dumpster diving. Yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm sitting in a bed or why I'm indoors but I'm homeless, I can explain that later. There's a good reason for that. I'm still homeless. I'm still don't have a place to live. Still always hungry, shit like that. But there's a very specific reason why I'm sitting in a bed right now, and I'm very grateful for that. But in any event, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So just to clear that up. All right.